In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a membership community in Gumroad. First, open your browser and head over to your Gumroad dashboard. Make sure you're logged in so you can access all the tools you need. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the product section in the main menu and click on it. This is where all your current products live and where you'll create new ones. On the products page, click on the New Product button. A window will appear asking for some basic information. Start by typing in the name of your membership community. Choose something clear and descriptive so potential members immediately understand what they're joining. Next, select the membership option as the product type. This tells Gumroad that you're creating something recurring, not a one-time purchase. After that, type in your price. You can always adjust this later, but try to pick a price that reflects the value you'll be offering. When you're done, scroll up and click on Next, Customize. Here is where you shape how your community looks and feels. Add a detailed description of your membership, explaining who it's for, what members get, and how often they can expect new content. Then set the URL of your product. Keep it short, memorable, and relevant to your community. Upload a cover image or video to make your page visually appealing, and add a thumbnail that will appear in previews. In the summary field, write a short, punchy overview of your community. You can then click Add Detail to highlight key features or benefits. Scroll to the Integrations section. Here, you can toggle on options to invite your customers to a Gumroad community chat, a Circle community, or a Discord server, depending on where you want your members to hang out. In the Tiers section, decide if you want different levels of membership. If you do, add a tier name, a description, and if needed, a maximum number of active supporters to limit access. Click Add Tier to create more levels. In settings, turn on or off options like free trials, whether new members see past posts, whether access ends when their membership ends, and if you want to show member counts publicly. You can also set default payment frequency, add a custom domain, and specify things like refund policy or shipping information if it applies. Next, go to the Content tab. Edit the existing page or add new pages, and customize the text so members know exactly what to expect inside. Then click on Receipt. Here, you can customize the button text that appears on receipts and product pages and add a custom message with any extra information or instructions you'd like buyers to receive. When everything looks good, click on Publish and continue. Your Gumroad membership community is now live and ready for members.